Welcome back. It's been a really warm day here across the coastal bend. Some warm temperatures for sure, and this warm weather is just going to continue. So let's show you where we stand right now. And you'll notice I have an extra set of numbers here on the map. It's 82 for the actual air temperature in Corpus Christi, but it still feels like 87 degrees along the coastline. 84 at the Naval Air Station feels like 92. 81 in Mathis feels like 86. You get the drift here. It is a warm afternoon, or evening I should say, across the coastal bend. Excuse me. And it's going to be continuing as we head on to the next couple of days. Why? Because we have these east-southeast winds at about 20 miles per hour, gusting higher as we go on to the next couple of days. So the trend continues as we go on through the middle part of the week. In fact, check this out. Downright hot. It's going to feel like 95 degrees tomorrow afternoon. 96 in Rocktown, 98 in Kingsville, and near 100 for the inland areas. If you were further off in the brush country, it would definitely feel like 100 plus degrees. It is just a sign that summer's on the way, even along the coastline. This is probably a little high. We're likely feel like we're in the 80s, upper 80s at that tomorrow, but what's the difference between a few degrees when it just feels downright humid? Now, going on into Thursday, it definitely feels warmer. We have this continued onshore flow and extra humidity, so we'll feel like 101 in Robstown, 105 in Alice and Freer, 105 in Falfurrias, 98 at the Naval Air Station in Corpus Christi, 92 in Port A, and that's just the trend into the next couple of days. This weekend is just going to be oppressively humid and hot because our actual air temperatures will be warmer. So what's going on in the big weather story here? Well, over Texas, again, front stalled out. It's not doing much. It's not coming here to the coastal bend, but it is causing some cloud coverage that we saw today. What will happen over the next couple of days is that stalled stationary boundary backs towards the plains again as a warm front, and we have this low pressure system developing over the Four Corners region. So that's our next cold front, but it's not really ours. It belongs to our neighbors off to the north. Check this out. Causing some storms across central and northern Texas. The DFW Metroplex will be seeing some storms as we head through Thursday, and we may see a few showers churn up Thursday morning. The models don't have very good agreement over this, but we're keeping an eye on that. What I do think will happen is as that front continues to move a little bit more closer to the coastal bend, we may see this line of showers and storms clipping parts of the coastal bend, and that's why I've got thunderstorms in the forecast. If we get a little more sunshine into the mix Thursday afternoon and we get a sea breeze to develop, we could see those thunderstorms happening earlier, say by the afternoon hours instead of the evening. So I'm keeping a very close eye on this forecast heading on into Thursday, but either way, have the umbrella at the ready just in case. That's going to be pretty much our only chance for rain going on to the next 7 days, and at that it will be widely spread across the coastal bend, isolated at best here for folks in the coastal bend. But when we have a chance of rain in this kind of drought, 3.5 inches under where we need to be, we'll take it. So for tonight, it'll be a warm evening, 76 for the overnight low, waking up tomorrow morning, 87 on account of the extra clouds. But heading into Thursday, we get closer to 90 degrees. Friday, we'll have that sunshine, 92 for the afternoon high temperature. And as we go on into the weekend, I'll just let you make your own opinions about this. 94 on Saturday. I'm sorry, moms, it's going to be a warm one for you this weekend.